What things should you look for during a home inspection, and how may they affect your client's home warranty? Let's talk about it. When reviewing your real estate client's home inspection, you will want to make sure the home inspector has noted whether or not the electric panel, water heater, and furnace all accompany a city or state permit sticker showing proper install. If you don't see it listed on the home inspection report, this is definitely something you will want to ask the home inspector to know, or go back and check yourself as the real estate agent. Knowing that a home system was properly installed is going to protect your client from fraudulent work. For instance, in the case of someone flipping a house or rehabbing and they hired a non-licensed person to perform the install. It will also, in most cases, void warranty coverages if the correct city or state inspection stickers aren't shown at the time of the warranty claim. One other important thing that we see that is overlooked on home inspection reports that can affect the warranty coverages is the failure to check AC units because of non-conforming weather. This is something that should not be taken lightly for your real estate clients, regardless if they have a home warranty or not. You are putting your clients at risk by not having a third party perform a pressure test and a visible inspection of the AC system. Therefore, I always recommend, when you see a home inspection report and it notes AC unit was not tested because of outside temperature, it is imperative you get the AC checked out by a licensed HVAC provider in addition to the complete home inspection. And again, this would only apply in colder months of the year when AC units can't be tested. So this wouldn't affect the furnace, since they can be inspected by the home inspector year-round. The cost for this additional inspection can range from $60 to $110 depending on your area, and we understand it's an added expense to the buyer, but it could potentially save them thousands of dollars in unforeseen expenses down the road. Again, regardless if your client has a home warranty or not, you want to make sure your real estate clients are protected from improper installs. So be sure to locate those city or state inspection stickers on the electric panel, water heater, and furnace. Plus, if you do receive a home inspection report and it's noted AC system couldn't be checked, be sure to get a licensed HVAC company to look at the units before closing. I hope this video has helped you know what things to look for and how to better protect your real estate clients.